कैसे हैं सर आप?
Okay, sir. Hindi, I don't know, sir. All English.
All English. Okay. How are you?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Where from you, sir? Your location and your name.
Andhra Pradesh, sir. Andhra Pradesh and Vishakhapatnam,
Huh.
the Murali Krishna name.
Krishna. How's your AVN journey? What you have done? In what grade you
Already
are?
2022, my AVN is coming, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Now, I'm really using some other medicine, homeopathy medicine, and Ayurvedic medicine, a lot of medicine I'm using. Before first 2020, I decomposed, I first doing one.
Okay. You have done the decompression in the
Yes,
2022.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So
That time
since
to
from the
using
22 you are suffering. Year 22.
20 to 2020,
Huh.
20 the September to start.
Okay. You are suffering.
Already the 5 years completed.
Okay, okay. What report you have done by the time, sir? Surgery, it's an MRI, X-ray.
MRI the grade 3.
Okay. In both of the leg, bilateral.
Yeah, the right leg, right is a grade 3,
Huh.
left is a grade 1.
Great one.
Left is not any pain and anything. Leg also can bend and everything.
Hmm.
The right leg is only now not more pain
Hmm.
and less than pain. The walking time.
Hmm.
I cannot sit down to below. I cannot bend the leg. Well, major problem. I cannot bend my leg with the right leg only.
Okay.
Pain is a not small pain only. Not big pain.
Okay. Small means medium level of pain. You had
Yeah,
said.
yeah, medium level.
Okay.
Can walk in time.
Yeah. What treatment you have done in between this is? What are the different treatment?
I do the Ayurvedic this therapy. Come the this one the
Ayurveda, homeopathy.
homeopathic medicine I'm using 1 year.
Okay. You had already used for the 1 year.
Already used homeopathy before.
Okay.
That I using the going to Ayurvedic.
Okay. Okay.
Ayurvedic medicine, the massage type, the fire pumping.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
This using this one also
Okay.
for 6 months.
Okay. So what was your experience with what treatment you are already used as an Ayurveda and homeopathy?
I still not anything, not record anything.
Okay. Okay. How we
Starting,
come to know that's how the natural AVN healing care it comes to know you.
I use the Instagram too only. I using something. So I see the some message to reading one,
Okay.
compliments one.
Mm-hmm.
They can record some using the one. After we message them to our guys.
Since
Yeah.
how from long you are using this natural AVN healing care product?
2 months.
2 months. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your
And the 2
experience?
months not completed. This end of month 2 months completed
Yeah.
one.
What's your experience within this 2 month?
2 months normal. The before me the pain is less. That's
Okay.
only
Less pain.
less
Okay.
pain.
Any improvement in the movement, mobility?
Movement means walking, same walking one,
Okay.
and pain not walking time not pain. That's only. The
That's one.
bending is not same result one.
Hmm.
Nothing, no result anything.
Have you got some initial level of pain because our product it elevate it increases at the initially some pain. Have you got that
Yes.
response?
Sometime last month some more pain. The walking time, sit down time.
Okay.
Suddenly we draw again pain normally control one.
Okay. So you are also felt that response, that's
Yes.
elevated level of pain.
Yeah.
Okay. So when from you are feeling the comfort in this in the moment and all in the pain,
Still not comfort anything.
when from you are feeling the less pain,
Last to 15 days too.
15 days too. Okay. In fact, so you are getting the immediate result actually, because we
Mm.
usually says it will take at least 2 to 3 months to show some kind of result. But within the 2 month, your pain is slowly become subsidized. Okay, and we hope that is the most of the healing will appear, and whatever the restricted moment that you told to me. Okay, that is also going to be very smoothly you'll take the command on that as well. Okay, the
Mm.
moment become easier. Okay, and pain will become subsidized, and the healing will happen to the maximum extent, but it takes some times. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. uh,
Yeah, can the drive the bike?
hmm, hmm,
You
hmm,
can drive the bike. Not issue one.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Any issues?
Just for the some days, avoid at the 1 to 2 month, avoid the driving of bike. Okay, because we usually suggest that is do less exertion, because more exertion it's affecting to the healing. Okay, once it become a healed and become a stronger in one, strengthen in one. Okay, you can do the maximum moment. That's not an issue. But during this period, while the time of healing, one should be try to be avoid the friction. Okay, and
No,
exertion.
we can the work some work maybe he can't work. My can can't run the family and he can't get the medicine.
Hmm.
That's only we can every day maybe the 40 kilometers we can drive the bike.
Okay, okay. You require to drive the every day 40 kilometer.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay. No issues, but try to be do a less exertion, at least for the
Okay.
next 3 to 4 months. Okay, because what happened, maximum healing, it would be happen within this duration. Okay, in the percentage, how much percent of result you can feeling at presently?
Before to the 30 to 40% I can relief one.
Okay, within the 2 months. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have the product to show on the screen, sir?
Oh,
Yes, yes, yes. Thanks for your joining and sharing your experience and opinions. This is
Okay.
really matters for the patient who are already suffering from the AVN, and they are tried much more thing, but yet waiting for the true results. That's an healing. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I only my legs not now major problem. My leg is not bending. That's all is the problem.
Yeah, yeah, it will
You
happen.
can
It will bend, but it will
this
take time.
maybe the our hip near the muscles when it tightened one
Pardon? Pardon?
our muscles our
Muscles.
leg yeah muscles
Huh, huh.
can be very tightened and maybe the our medicine only joint only or any muscles also.
It will be heal a maximum thing wherever damages has been happen in your body. Okay, so
Okay.
it is not only restricted to the joints only. Actually, regeneration is the concept is work throughout the body, but as the most of the things is affected at the hip joint, so initially it will be show the result at the hip joint, and
Okay.
knowingly or unknowingly it will be heal the damages of your body wherever it is present within the body. Okay.
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 And that's all my అంటే month year to year by my muscles very tight one. I cannot bend and I cannot the like holding.
Hmm.
That is the starting can bend one.
Hmm.
I yearly my leg is not bending more very less.
Mhm. That is something osteoarthritis, I think so. But
And the
you,
muscles our muscles is the totally be hip near muscles where the all the maybe the odd one I don't know.
Mhm.
That's only.
I think in that condition you'll also get some kind of result. Okay. Thanks for being here. Okay, and thanks
Mm.
for being share your valuable experience with us. With your
Okay.
permission, I'll be share this with other people, so either patients when they can understand what type of treatment and all. Okay.
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 Can
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
okay.